Let's get one thing straight. You do have time to cook healthy, delicious food. You spend more time scrolling your phone than it takes to make a meal that's good for you. Today, I'll show you how to ditch greasy takeaways and boring salads for vibrant Asian stir-fries. We're talking lean proteins, crisp veggies, and bold flavors, ready in minutes. 10 quick recipes, all fast, easy, and packed with fat-burning ingredients. Grab your wok, sharpen your knife, and get ready to transform your weeknight dinners. Let's get cooking! First up, a Thai classic, Pad Krapo Gai, Thai Basil Chicken. Lean chicken mince is our protein powerhouse, cooking in seconds. The secret? Thai holy basil, peppery, aromatic, and authentic. Aromatics like bird's eye chilies, garlic, and shallot fire up your metabolism and flavor. The sauce: oyster sauce, light soy, and a touch of dark soy for color. No sugar bombs here. Sear the chicken in a hot wok for that signature char. Add aromatics, stir for 30 seconds, then pour in the sauce. Finish with basil at the end, just wilt it, don't overcook. Serve over brown rice, top with a crispy fried egg if you're feeling fancy. The yolk mixes with the sauce for a creamy finish. This is a high-protein, flavor-packed meal in under 10 minutes. Healthy, fast, and absolutely delicious. Forget takeout, this is the real deal. Try it once, and you'll never go back. That's how you do Pad Krapo Gai. Think tofu is bland? Think again. We're making a Korean veggie and tofu stir-fry that's a flavor bomb. Press your tofu, cube it, and sear until golden and crisp. The magic: gochujang chili paste, soy sauce, sesame oil, and garlic. Bold, spicy, and complex. Use broccoli, bell peppers, and onions for color and crunch. Prep everything before you start. Stir-fries move fast. Sear tofu, set aside, then char onions and peppers. Add broccoli, steam briefly, then toss everything together. Pour in the gochujang sauce, toss to coat, and finish with sesame seeds and spring onions. The sauce clings, the veggies stay crisp, and the tofu is packed with flavor. Plant-based protein, low-calorie, and bursting with Korean flair. This is how you make tofu exciting, fast, healthy, and seriously tasty. Give it a go, you'll be hooked. Korean stir-fry, done right. Next, we're off to Japan for teriyaki shrimp and broccoli. Forget bottled sauce. Make your own with soy, mirin, sake, and fresh ginger. Reduce for a glossy, balanced glaze, no sugar overload. Shrimp cook in minutes. Broccoli is blanched for perfect crunch. Sear shrimp in a hot wok, add broccoli, then pour in your homemade teriyaki. Toss quickly. Sauce thickens and coats everything beautifully. The ginger aroma is incredible. Serve immediately for a restaurant-quality meal at home. High protein, low sugar, and packed with clean flavors. This is fast food elevated. No more rubbery shrimp or mushy broccoli. Just vibrant, glossy, and delicious. Try this once, and you'll never buy teriyaki sauce again. Simple, elegant, and healthy. Japanese stir-fry perfection. Time for something earthy and deeply satisfying. Chinese garlic mushroom and bok choy stir-fry. Use a mix of mushrooms, shiitake, cremini, oyster for depth and texture. Wipe mushrooms clean, don't wash. Let them caramelize, not steam. Sear mushrooms in a hot pan, then add loads of sliced garlic and ginger. Bok choy stems go in next for crunch, leaves at the end to wilt. The sauce: light soy, Shaoxing wine, sesame oil, and a splash of broth. Thicken with a cornstarch slurry for a silky finish. Toss everything together. Mushrooms are golden, bok choy is crisp tender. Vegetarian, low-calorie, and packed with umami. This is proof you don't need meat for a satisfying meal. Serve hot, savor the aroma. Simple, elegant, and full of flavor. Perfect for a quick, healthy dinner. Mushrooms never tasted so good. Chinese stir-fry, redefined. Let's head to Vietnam for lemongrass chicken. Zesty, fresh, and aromatic. Mince lemongrass to a paste, mix with fish sauce, garlic, and lime juice for a quick marinade. Use thinly sliced chicken thighs for juiciness and flavor. Marinate briefly, then sear in a hot wok for a caramelized crust. Remove chicken, stir-fry onions and chilies, then return chicken to the pan. Finish with more fish sauce and a squeeze of lime. Turn off the heat. Toss in fresh cilantro and mint. The herbs bring brightness and balance. This dish is all about bold, clean flavors. High in protein, low in fat, and bursting with Vietnamese character. Serve with a side of rice or salad. Fast, healthy, and invigorating. Lemongrass chicken, your new weeknight favorite. Try it and taste the difference. Vietnamese stir-fry, done right. Now, a Filipino classic, ginisang gulay, or sautéed vegetables. Use whatever veggies you have. Green beans, carrots, cabbage, chayote. Cut everything for quick, even cooking. No soggy veg allowed. Sauté garlic and onions, add a splash of fish sauce for umami. Add protein if you like, but veggies are the star. Stir-fry hardest veggies first, then add the rest. Toss until just tender. Finish with black pepper. No sauce, just crisp, vibrant vegetables. Packed with fiber, nutrients, and flavor. Simple, honest, and brilliant for your health. Filipino stir-fry, made easy. Ready for heat? Sambal udang, Malaysian spicy prawns. Use store-bought sambal oelek. Sauté with shallots and garlic for depth. Fry until the oil separates. This is key for flavor. Add tamarind juice for sourness. A pinch of sugar to balance the heat. Toss in large prawns. Cook just until pink and juicy. The sauce is fiery, rich, and clings to every prawn. Serve hot for a metabolism-boosting meal. Intense, bold, and unforgettable. This is Malaysian street food at its best. Fast, spicy, and packed with flavor. Try it if you dare. Sambal udang, pure fire. Next, Singapore curry noodle stir-fry. Light, aromatic, and energizing. Soak rice vermicelli, drain well, no mushy noodles. Use Madras curry powder, bloom it in hot oil for deep flavor. Add chicken, shrimp, carrots, bean sprouts, and spring onions. Stir-fry chicken, then shrimp, set aside. Add curry powder, then noodles, toss to coat. Scramble an egg in the wok, mix through noodles. Return proteins and veggies, finish with soy sauce. Toss everything together. Noodles should be springy, veggies crisp. Garnish with spring onions, light, spicy, and full of energy. A hawker classic made at home. Fast, healthy, and absolutely delicious. Singapore in a bowl. Time for Indonesian tempeh and veggie stir-fry. Hearty, healthy, and plant-based. Slice and pan-fry tempeh until golden and crisp. The sauce, kicap manis, sweet soy, regular soy, lime juice, and chili for a sticky, spicy glaze. Use long beans, bell peppers, and onions for crunch and color. Stir-fry onions, garlic, and peppers, then add beans. Return tempeh, pour in sauce, toss to coat. The glaze thickens, everything gets glossy and irresistible. Packed with protein, fiber, and flavor. Gut-friendly, filling, and satisfying. Vegetarian never tasted so good. Quick, bold, and delicious. Indonesian stir-fry, your new go-to. The simplest, quickest, and most nourishing stir-fry. Chinese egg and spinach. Beat eggs with salt and white pepper. Scramble gently for soft curds. Wilt a mountain of fresh spinach in a hot wok with garlic. Don't overcook. Keep it vibrant and green. Add eggs back in, toss to combine. Finish with a splash of soy sauce. Packed with protein and iron, ready in minutes. Perfect for breakfast, lunch, or post-workout. Minimal ingredients, maximum nutrition. Fast, healthy, and satisfying. This is real food, real quick. Try it once and you'll make it again and again. Chinese stir-fry at its purest. There you have it, 10 vibrant, healthy Asian stir-fries, faster than takeout and a million times better. No more excuses. Fresh ingredients, hot wok, and a bit of passion is all you need. These recipes are your new arsenal for busy nights and healthy eating. Stop settling for bland or unhealthy food. You deserve better. Like, subscribe, and let me know your favorite in the comments. Get in the kitchen, get cooking, and enjoy every bite. Delicious, fast, and healthy. Now it's your turn.